click the none next to the diffuse color. And since we want to mix between the green areas and the dirt, so we are going to double click the mix map. Click the none button next to color 1 and double click the bitmap. In the maps folder, in the 3D Max 8 folder, double click the ground folder and change this to all file types and click the evergreen, click open. Okay, now change the map channel to 2 and click show map in viewport. As you see, the tiling is so big, so change the tiling, the U tiling to 10 and the V tiling to 10. You can change these values and try other tilings. Click go to parent button and click the none next color 2. Double click the bitmap and choose ground dirt 1. Click open. Okay, change the map channel to 2 and click show map in viewport. Also here the tiling needs to be adjusted, so try 5 by 5. Okay, click the go to parent button. Now we need to add a map that controls the relationship between the evergreen.jpg and the ground dirt.jpg. So click the none button here and click the gradient ramp, double click it and click show map in viewport. Change map channel to 2 and click to add a flag here. Double click to open the color selector window. Change the color to black. Click this flag to change its color and change it to white. Close the color selector window. Now minimize the coordinate rollout and in the gradient type change it to radial. Okay, we can now change the position here. Of course you can read here the position to 72 and change this position to 51. Bear in mind that the dark areas are going to be the green areas and the white areas are going to be the dirt areas and the gray areas are going to be something in between. We can add some noises here, so go ahead and change these values. And we can change the type of noise. Expand the coordinate rollout and we can change the U offset and V offset. Okay. Close the material editor and rotate the perspective. Till you are satisfied with the view, press the Ctrl C on your keyboard. You've just created a new camera and the new camera's viewport is active. Click the render button in the toolbar. Okay, I think we need to increase the effect of the displacement map. So go ahead and close the rendered view and open the material editor once again. Click go to parent button. Click go to parent once again and here in the displacement change the value to 110. We cannot see the effect here yet, so select the plane object and click update mesh. You can see now the effect. Close the material editor and rename this object land. Okay, and then click the file save to save the file and name it location 01 and click the save button. Okay. In this tutorial, we learned how to create landscapes using displacement maps. And we found out how this method is useful, especially when you want to have full control on the contour of the land and you want to specify exactly the places of the lower areas and the higher areas. And we had a quick look on using the Unwrap UVW, this powerful modifier. Finally, we learned how to use Mix Map to mix between two different maps, like we did when we mixed between the evergreen.jpg and the ground.dirt.jpg, as we see here. Okay, that's all for the landscape.